My neighbor brought over this statue for me to fix. It's got needs a little, it's concrete, needs a little repair. He stole it from his neighbor. So he doesn't know it's getting fixed. But anyway, before I get started, check out this wonderful thing my aunt sent me. It's got the ashes of my mother in there. It's fused glass. Thanks, Jane. It's awesome. Well, this thing has seen better days, I tell you what. What I'm going to do, I could repair it with some cement, but I think I'm just going to try to use super glue because I don't want to wait around for it to dry. I just want to fix it and be done with it. First I thought it's got a crack right there, so let's flood that crack. I kind of fooled around, see how it fit. All the different ways it might fit. I think I want to put it right about here. Right about there, I think. So let's just try to put a bunch of super glue on there. See if we can't get it to fit. Stay in one spot. Put super glue on my fingers. Well, now let's mix up some grout. Try to put it in there. Try the back side first. I'm not sure how this is going to got them all ready to paint. I spent quite a bit of time getting all the loose paint off of there. I noticed somebody made a repair with some Bondo on his nose. So then I thought, oh yeah, I'll use that to smooth everything else out. So I put some Bondo on there. Sounds like a good idea to me. So I think it's looking pretty good. I removed quite a bit of stuff and I still see more. I've been using this little pick. Get out all the loose stuff. I got some watered down black paint here. I watered it way down. So I'll just give everything a coat of, this will be my primer. Sure cleaned up nicely. I didn't think he was going to look like this. I sure enjoy painting these outdoor statues. A lot of fun. This thing is actually quite heavy. Well, thanks for stopping by, friends. I sure appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot. Take care. I'll see you down the trail. Bye now. Look what we got over here. What are you doing, kid?